In this video, I'm going to show you how I hatched quail eggs with a simple incubator, how I made this simple brooder, how I upgraded the chicken feed which I had so that it's perfect for quail chicks, and how I made sure they cannot drown in the water. Follow along. It's a couple of days after I've switched on the incubator with my quail eggs, and as you can see the temperature shows a little bit above 100 and it should actually be around 99.5. So I have to turn this, I don't know what to call it, to the left, and there is no way to know how much you have to turn it to the left, but I turn it a little bit and then I come back a few hours later to check if it went down, and that's it. That's how I regulate the temperature. And I have approximately 20 eggs in the incubator. I believe there are 23 or something like that. Quails tend to hatch a little less than chickens, so usually 50 to 70% of the eggs of a quail are going to hatch. So yeah. And here is where I add the water. The humidity should be around 50% the first days. The quail eggs hatch in approximately 18 days. And the last 3 days, so from the 14th, 15th day, you should rise the humidity to, I believe, 75%. I don't have a hygrometer, so all I'm doing is adding water here and then checking this place where it shows the temperature. And I just want to make sure I don't have too much condensation there. That's my way of trying to have a 50% humidity. And then in the last days, I'm going to increase the water, adding actually water to the bottom of the incubator. And I'm going to make sure that I have a lot of condensation here where it shows the temperature. That's my way to try and adjust the humidity without having the hygrometer. There are 2 days left to go, and I just wanted to show you that I've raised the humidity and you almost cannot see the temperature inside. And I've taken out the separators, which are these things, and I've placed them here on either side so that the little chicks will not fall. So I actually added water here so it would go in the bottom. Usually I add the water here and it goes into a little chamber which is like this. It's like a little pocket. So I've actually added water now directly in the bottom of the entire box. I'm going to add a little more. I've checked the eggs and they seem to be all dark. So, but I've been told by the person who gave me the eggs that the best rate they've had was 55%. Many quails don't manage to get out of the egg. Nature is like that sometimes. Oh wow! Okay, I have to close immediately, but there are quite a few. Okay. So I wanted to show you how I am making the brooder for the quails. I'm just, of course, you know me, it's a zero budget or almost. This is just a normal cardboard box, and I'm placing kitchen paper, what do you call it? Kitchen paper towels. The reason I use this one is to avoid the spray legs, which is one of the concerns when you have baby quails. I just place a couple of layers and I have one extra, so here it goes. This is how I'm going to make them get water. As you can see, this is very narrow. It's definitely less than 1 centimeter. The issue with the little quail chicks is that they can drown easily into water, so I'm going to have this. It was very inexpensive, maybe a couple of euros. But if you have this one, which is the one I've used for my chicks previously, what you can do, you can still use it. Just put a couple of pebbles here so that they cannot jump inside and remain with their beak inside of the water and drown like that. So anyway, I have this one, I'm going to use this. Here is a little hack so that I don't have to buy a special bag of quail chick feed, because I do have leftover chick feed for my chickens, But quails in general, including their chicks, need a higher content in protein compared to chickens, and therefore this is why I bought a bag of inexpensive worms. You can see here they're dry, and so I'm smashing them, trying to make a powder out of it, which I'm going to mix with the chick feed, and this is how I'm raising the protein content. I hope that's enough essentially. Here you can see I'm actually scattering the food on the ground because quail's chicks are actually pretty fragile and they have the instinct of looking for food on the floor. So that's the best bet I have to hope that they find it. Here I am adding B2 vitamins. It's a complex. There are many inside, and I'm adding just a little bit because this is actually a human supplement. But quails are known to be very fragile. I don't want them to start in the very first days with some B2 or B12 deficiencies, which are quite common. So this is why I'm adding it directly to their first water on the very first day. I just wanted to show you that I had to place the light on because they were cold and all attached together, but right now you can see that they've moved actually away from the lamp. This is where the lamp is, so directly here is too hot. And you can see that right now they are all here. It means that this is too hot, so I'm going to raise the lamp a few centimeters. This is my setup. I have this stick that holds the cable, so I'm just going to create an extra loop. The lamp is in one corner so that they have the freedom to move to a colder place if they need that. I will come back in 5 minutes when the heat has stabilized, let's say, to see if they're all spreading around like it looks they are right now. Some are under the lamp, some are far away. That's the best thing you want to see. Yeah. This is a few minutes later and you can see that they're all going around. So it means that the temperature is good. I'm going to leave it like this.